Imagine a life where you effortlessly tap into your limitless potential, where your goals manifest with ease, and where creativity flows through you like an unstoppable force. Now, let's step into a world where the power of flow state unlocks extraordinary possibilities. In today's busy world, many of us find ourselves struggling to stay focused and achieve our goals. We battle distractions, doubt our abilities, and feel disconnected from our true potential. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle and experience the incredible benefits of working in a state of flow? For entrepreneurs, the key to success lies in setting clear goals and effective communication. When we align our vision with tangible objectives and artfully communicate them to our teams, we unlock the full potential of entrepreneurial success. At the core of human existence lies the power of communication, relationships, and commitment. It is through authentic connection and unwavering dedication that we unlock the extraordinary potential of our relationships and create a profound impact in our personal and professional lives. In the depths of our creative expression lies the potential for self-healing. By entering a state of flow, we unlock the ability to tap into our innermost emotions, allowing us to heal, grow, and transform. Don't miss out on the chance to unlock your true potential. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that will empower you on your journey. All right, let's get started. When we think of a flowing river, we envision its effortless movement, its ability to adapt to obstacles, and its serene beauty. Similarly, operating under a state of fluidity and not rigidity of mind allows us to restore our natural way of being. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves trapped in a rigid mindset where we hold on to fixed beliefs and resist change. But by embracing a fluid mindset, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. When we enter a state of flow, time seems to disappear, and we become fully immersed in the task at hand. This state of deep focus and engagement brings numerous benefits to our mental, spiritual, physical, and emotional well-being. Mentally, working from a state of flow enhances our cognitive abilities. Our concentration and attention span improve, leading to heightened productivity and efficiency. We experience a sense of clarity and purpose, as we are fully aligned with the task and our overall goals. Spiritually, flow connects us to something greater than ourselves. It is in these moments of complete absorption that we tap into our higher consciousness, experiencing a sense of oneness and connection with the universe. Flow becomes a spiritual practice, helping us cultivate a deeper understanding of our purpose and place in the world. Physically, flow state can have a profound impact on our bodies. We may find ourselves in a state of effortlessly moving and taking action, as if we are in perfect sync with our surroundings. Our body becomes an instrument through which creativity and accomplishment flow. Emotionally, flow state brings us joy, satisfaction, and a sense of fulfillment. As we engage in activities that align with our passions and strengths, we experience a deep sense of happiness and well-being. Stress and worries dissipate, leaving us in a state of blissful contentment. Dedicate energy in the highest leverage areas while still valuing each step along the journey for its creativity. In our journey towards success and achievement, it's important to recognize that not all actions carry the same weight. By identifying the highest leverage areas within our goals, we can focus our energy on the tasks that will have the greatest impact. Consider an entrepreneur building a startup. While every task and step along the journey is important, it's crucial to identify the key actions that will propel the business forward. These high-leverage areas might include market research, product development, and customer acquisition. By dedicating energy to these priority areas, the entrepreneur can maximize their time, resources, and overall success. However, it's equally important to recognize the value of each step along the journey. Every task, no matter how small, contributes to the overall creative process and growth. By valuing each step, We honor the journey itself and cultivate a mindset of gratitude and appreciation. Friends, goal setting is a key step in the entrepreneurial journey and can be done by asking yourself a series of questions to reveal your highest priority. As an entrepreneur, setting clear and meaningful goals is essential for success. Goal setting allows you to define your vision, establish milestones, and create a roadmap for achieving your dreams. But how do you go about setting goals that truly align with your highest priorities? One approach is to ask yourself a series of thought-provoking questions. Reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve in your business and personal life. Ask yourself questions like, what is my ultimate vision or mission? What are the specific objectives I want to achieve? What actions can I take to move closer to my goals? What resources and support do I need to succeed? How will achieving these goals impact my life and the lives of others? By diving deep into these questions, you begin to uncover your highest priority. This clarity allows you to set goals that are meaningful, motivating, and in alignment with your values and aspirations, propelling you towards entrepreneurial success. In the world of entrepreneurship, effective communication is the cornerstone of success. Whether it's selling your product or service, marketing your brand, delivering impactful presentations, crafting compelling content, or building strong relationships with customers and partners, communication is at the core of every entrepreneurial endeavor. As an entrepreneur, you need to prioritize communication in all its forms. This means not only mastering the art of verbal and written communication, but also understanding the nuances of nonverbal cues and active listening distractions can be a significant hindrance to your productivity and focus. Thankfully, there are strategies you can employ to overcome distractions and create an environment conducive to effective communication and goal achievement. One such strategy is automation. Leverage technology and software to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and eliminate manual processes. By automating certain aspects of your business, you free up valuable time and mental energy to focus on communication and higher leverage activities. Delegation is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Identify tasks that can be effectively delegated to team members or outsourcing partners, allowing you to focus your energy on core communication-related activities. Delegating tasks not only lightens your workload, but also enables you to leverage the skills and expertise of others, leading to more efficient and effective communication. And there you have it, an exploration of the transformative power of creative expression, the significance of flowing commitment, and the importance of clear goals and intention in your journey towards success. As we commit to tasks from a state of flow, we unlock the ability to tap into the immense power of our subconscious mind. It is within the state of flow that we effortlessly merge with our work, finding joy in the process and accessing our fullest potential. If you found this video insightful and empowering, we would greatly appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Join our community of like-minded individuals on a path of self-discovery and growth. We value your thoughts and experiences, so please share them in the comment section below. Let's engage in meaningful conversations and support each other's journey towards manifestation and personal transformation. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of manifestation. Keep nurturing your creativity, embracing the state of flow, and setting clear goals to guide your path. Whether you're starting a new venture, nurturing relationships, or embarking on a personal transformation, may the universe guide you towards a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment.